What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S10. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to insert and eject a SIM card. So the first thing what we're going to want to do is find our SIM eject tool. If you have the original packaging from your S10, it will be inside with the Samsung paperwork. So it's right here on the back side. And if you don't, anything will work. A pin, a needle, unfolded paper clip, anything that is long, sharp, and fairly strong, that'll work to get it out. So what we're going to want to do is on the very top of the phone, you will see that there is two, looks like holes. The one over here that has the cutout for the SIM tray. There's a little cutout here for the SIM tray. You're going to want to take that one. Once you have your SIM eject tool, go ahead and stick it in the hole and just apply some pressure. It's not spring loaded. It will just slide out gradually. There are some water resistant type of little gaskets here on the outside, so you're going to want to just be careful with those. Don't want to rip them out, rip them off, or your device will not be as water resistant as it once was. So then once you have your SIM card, you can go ahead and pop it out of place, pull it out, whatever you guys have. Go ahead and pull them out. If it's out of a different device and it will work, chances are it will still work as long as it's the same size. And even if it's bigger, you can always cut those down. So as you guys can see here, the lower portion is for the SIM card, and it's labeled with the little SIM logo, and it has the words SIM on it. And they do line up. You can go ahead and line those up by finding the corner on both pieces. And once you have the corners lined up, it'll fit just like that. And then go ahead and slide it back into your phone. Once again, just remember that, lining it up, making sure the SIM tray fits in there properly, just the same way and direction that you pulled it out. So once that is in there, go ahead and push it right back in, and just like that, it should fit. So that is the way to get your SIM card in. Once you turn your device on, it should tell you that the SIM card is in there and activated and it's reading properly. So if you want to eject the SIM card, the same thing, find your eject tool, go up here to the tray, press inside the hole, slide it out, remove your SIM card, and then you can go ahead and put the SIM tray back in its place. So that is how to insert and eject a SIM card on a Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys found that video helpful, go ahead, give me a thumbs up. If you guys would like to check out other Galaxy S10 tutorials, check out that Galaxy S10 playlist. If you guys would like to check out other tutorials on other phones, check those out on my channel as well. So that's all I got for you guys on this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.